Huh. Huh. Watch out, geese are about to show up, dude. Did you ever go to restaurants growing up?
Of course.
Okay. Did your parents let you get Coke, like, on the menu, like, hey, what would you like to drink? Or did they go, he'll have a water?
Oh no, it's like, yeah, we get a Dr. Pepper, always.
What about appetizers?
Never.
I never got appetizers growing up, and it's like my favorite thing now. When I go to a restaurant a lot of times based on good appetizers. So because of that, I'm gonna show you how to make an appetizer today. What are we gonna call these? Garlic bombs, garlic knots?
Garlic bombs.
Garlic bombs.
Can we start the show?
Let's go ahead and do that.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
So these garlic bombs, we're gonna actually top them with this really awesome parsley garlic butter. And that's gonna be the first thing we're gonna start on that.
Excuse me? A baking powder?
Maybe not more of that.
Oh.
Okay, well
okay,
then.
okay, cheers,
alright.
alrighty. There's a couple of steps with this. It's actually really fast, but the first one is gonna be, let's melt our butter. Can we please melt the butter already?
Do it.
All right, so for this, we're gonna be using our 36-inch air fryer and this.
These are fantastic.
These
if you guys haven't seen these, that's the little tray.
The grease trap, right?
Yeah.
These are awesome, convenient. We're gonna use this to melt our butter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our unsalted butter, we're gonna drop that bad boy in there.
So we're just gonna let that melt in there?
Yeah, dude, I'm just gonna let it sit. We just wanted to give that some time to do a little melting. While that is going on.
Wait, what about your herbs? Aren't you throwing some herbs in there?
Yeah, but that can wait just a second.
Well, it's not Nate's first cooking show.
No, it's not. It's CJ's. And your first cooking show sucked. Here's another one of those quick kind of hacks. It's not really a hack, but it really does make this a much easier situation. You could make your own dough, or
there's nothing wrong with a pre-made pizza dough.
No. Scott might think there is.
Well, he's
Scott.
He's a pizza dough stud.
Yeah, he is an absolute champ. I am gonna throw a little bit of flour down, and we're gonna just kind of roll this out, trying to maintain some integrity, because as a cook, especially when you have your own cooking show, integrity is everything. Am I right?
Right.
Am I right? Am I right?
Am I right or am I right or am I right? Right.
When handling dough, if you've never done it, you're gonna find out that it's really sticky.
What does this mean?
Look up here, up here, whoop, whoop.
Essentially what we're gonna do is we're going to slice this into little bombs. Not really a bomb.
Not just a clever name.
It's
We can't
not
use
just
the
a
same
clever
joke
no.
again.
This
Or
is
can
actually
we?
a problem with movie quote people. You start running into the same line a whole freaking lot.
Because Wayne's World has the best lines.
And you could go on, and so on, and so on.
And so on, and so on, and so on.
Okay.
Let's chop this up, shall we? So here's the problem with my show.
Problem?
One problem is that my videographer is Nate.
That's the problem.
That is the main problem with my show, because Nate is out here judging me.
The truth shall set you free.
And critique all of my cooking methods.
No, I don't.
He does. So we're going to slice this up and get ready to make these into knots. This one's actually still a little big. We've had this sitting out here for a little bit, so they've had a chance to expand. Give me a nerd reason what's going on and why it's expanding.
Are you gonna make fun of me if I do it?
Yes.
Don't be jealous that I've been chatting online with babes all day.
Basically what's happening is the gluten is forming, it's creating air, it's expanding, giving space in between all of those beautiful little gluten molecules, which gives us airy. The yeast is consuming the sugar, creating gas, making puffy, wonderful dough.
It's science.
Let's just get going here. So we can bomb these. Shall I knot some of them?
Sure.
Let's knot them. I don't know what your technique is, dude, but
Looks like you're working pretty good. Oh, I like the little knot pull.
We'll knot pull.
Oh, there you go. Beauty.
Not bad, right?
I like your technique there, guy.
Thank you. Let's do some with some like fun ingredients. Can I do that?
Of course you can.
You know why I can?
Because it's CJ's first cooking show!
I guess you guys aren't ready for that yet, but your kids are gonna love it.
Yes, it is. This is my show. Welcome. Glad to have you. Buy my shirt. You could go basic, and basic is good, bro. Basic's great. But what if?
Come on, come on, come on.
What if we went outside the box and filled these delicious garlic bombs with some delicious treats?
Let's treat it up.
Let's treat it up. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm going to take some pepperoni. I'm gonna make a little bed right here. See this guy?
You're making a bed.
He's a nice little soft bed. Then I'm gonna get some of my pre-shredded mozzarella. You could do this in, like cut it up in cubes if you get a block, which is fine. But this is guaranteed gonna melt pretty quick. Before we get to our garlic knots in the air fryer, let's check. Oh dude, come on, look at this.
Beauty.
Look at that, didn't do a thing. Just set it in there. We're gonna set this on our cool side now. Then we're gonna come back to that. Let's get to our air fryer. So we had our 36-inch air fryer combo preheated, and check this out, dude. We're gonna go ahead and spray this before we throw our knots in there. It's gonna help with the non-stick. And then, let's do this first basket. I don't wanna call them basic knots. Let's just call them average Joe.
Why?
I don't know, because it sounded good. Then we're gonna spray it. This is gonna help with that browning.
Those?
Oh, I am, dude.
Touch of salt and pepper and garlic.
Idiot.
I am actually gonna do that. That's why I had them sitting out here. Just gonna take a pinch. Gonna do a little bit of that guy. How about a smidge of this guy? Just a little salt and pepper, guys. This is just gonna help with some fun flavor.
And a garlic powder.
So these are ready to go. It's not the only seasoning that's gonna be going on here, this butter. We're gonna zhuzh it up in a minute.
Hey,
see what I did there?
I did.
Yep. I use real words, not fake words like yours.
Because zhuzh is a real word.
Exactly.
Love you, Betty.
Love you, Betty. All right, so we got that one there. Let's do this.
Oh, it smells good already.
Yep. So basket number 2, these are non-average Joes. Pinched side down. Ooh, these are big ones. Then, let us give it a spray. A little bit of seasoning.
Hey, what about the Parmesan Ranch?
You
the new
stop
Parmesan
it.
Ranch?
You stop it.
You stop it. It's right there.
Oh, how convenient.
It's so good.
Parmesan Ranch. Let's live on the edge,
So
shall we?
Garlic knots and then Parmesan Ranch knots. Let me see this. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, here we go. And I'm not just doing this because I get paid. It's like people only do things because they get paid.
It's like people only do things because they get paid. And that's just really sad.
So here's the thing, those are gonna cook really fast. Depending on what your settings are on, we've got ours on low right now because I'm gonna be doing other stuff, and I talk a lot.
Yes.
Yes.
It's correct.
That is correct.
While that's going on, I am going to get some of our delicious parsley.
Oh.
I was gonna buy the other parsley,
No, you weren't.
non-flat leaf parsley.
No, you weren't.
No, I wasn't. Because we don't
wouldn't
use
do
that. We don't do that. This is actually going to go in our awesome butter. So check it out. Let's head over to the butter real quick. We're gonna just drop some of this yummy parsley in here. We're gonna dust this with some garlic powder. Ooh, that's windy. It's coming at you. You got a quick one? You're a quick one. Okay.
I brought you some of this delicious oregano.
Oh, you did. Where did this come from?
My garden.
Your garden. Rip some of this up. Throw this in there. How about that guy?
We're seasoning our butter that we're gonna brush it on like
Yeah, we're gonna brush
Little
this
garnish?
on. Yep, right at the end when it's all nice and toasty and warm.
I dig it.
And I'm gonna give this just a little tossing. See that? See what I do there, Nate?
See it.
This is a pro move. I got this at the Culinary Institute of America. No, I didn't.
No.
But you can imagine what it'd be like if I did, am I right?
But you can imagine what it'd be like if they did, right? Huh? Huh?
Huh?
All day, dude.
Everybody on? Good. Great. Grand.
Let's check on average Joes over here. Oh, they're cruising. They're doing good.
Hey,
See them
little
starting to
beauties.
swell up like that?
You want to crank this up a little bit? Right now we're on low. It would give us more color. Or do you want to?
No, I don't want to, Nate. I'm kidding, I will. I'll take your word on it. How about we go to the medium?
Like it. What are we gonna do while we wait?
Just gonna ominously look off into the sunset.
Oh, it's beautiful. What? So what is that?
It's a little creature.
A unicorn.
You want to check out the knots?
I do.
Let's go check them out. All right, let's have a look-see.
Oh, hello.
Hello, ladies. Hello, governors. Let's have a look at the other one. I think those are done, man.
Oh, dang. I feel good about that.
Ooh, cheese is starting to come out the side melting. These are
Oh,
done.
yeah.
All right, we're gonna plate these up fairly simple. Before we get to that, I like marinara.
Oh yeah.
You can make your own. But who really does that, Betty? Just Betty. So this is just a basic grocery store marinara. Rao's. Rouse.
Rayo's?
Rouse. Rouse.
Ralph.
Routes of unusual size.
What about the ROUSs?
Rodents of unusual size? I don't think they exist.
All right, let's get to our average Joes here first. Ready?
Beauties.
Oh, look at those, man.
They look gorgeous.
I know, right? So we're gonna plate these up, but we're not done with them.
Man, that was really quick.
Yeah. Like, no joke, like what, 6, 8
Oh,
minutes
yeah.
maybe? Max? Okay.
Oh, that cheese.
Oh,
man, that
dude.
cheese. They're trying to
Look.
escape. Oh, you got a burst.
I know.
Dude, that's what I'm talking about.
Heck yeah, dude. All right, una más. So I'm gonna make a little room because we're headed to go grab our butter.
Let's do it.
And it has been hanging out, bro.
Oh, hello, Flavortown.
All right, so we're gonna get some of this, swoosh it around, get all of that yumminess.
Time to zhuzh.
Let's zhuzh it up, baby. Going
Beauty.
to delicious town population us.
Oh, that gloss is just stunning.
Yeah? Gotta get that.
Gotta get that.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom,
Garlic
boom,
knots.
boom. Every knot, every bomb needs its love. All right, so.
You are very naughty.
Do I make you Randy? Do I?
Do I make you Randy? Yeah.
We got the last little bit here. Betty.
Apologize in advance.
She highly recommends this. You don't find this in the fresh area, you find it in the middle,
Middle area?
where everything goes to die. At the grocery store.
Is there a reason you're not using fresh?
Honestly, it's just, this is quick. Like, we're just doing stuff fast.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie. There's nothing wrong with that, brother.
No, there's not. There's nothing wrong with this. Betty will tell you there's something wrong with it. And we could be done there. But we're not. Ready?
I don't know. What's next? Hello, parsley.
Hello, parsley. Bickety bang, as they say. And they bing me.
Who says biggity?
Me.
Yeah.
I say it.
Is it bickety or biggity?
Bickety.
How do you spell that?
I don't know. Bic. Like a bic.
Bickety
like a
bang.
razor. Bic. Or a pen.
CJ Frazier.
Bickety bang! Let's do the bursted one. But you know what?
Yeah.
This one had some of that Parmesan ranch.
Oh.
Shall we redust?
Redust.
Redust. It's redustulous. Redunculus.
Oh, dang. Just hit. Oh. That's where it's at right there.
All right.
And the verdict. What the? Someone else is excited.
All right, guys, for this recipe and more, go to blackstoneproducts.com. Go check out our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. Go like it all, share it all. Buy my shirts.
If I can say it again.
I'm not getting anything monetary from this. I just want to beat Todd, Betty, and Nate. Nate, he's not even in the game. Nobody likes him. Teespring.com, there's some sweet ones. Hoodies, it's too hot right now. They're stickers. Tell you what, first person to buy one of my shirts, I can't know you, buy the shirt, take a photo or a video, tag me in it, we will reshare it, and I will send you something cool in the mail. Scout's honor. If Nate said the same thing, he wouldn't do it, because he lies. Until then, cheers, my friends. Welcome to CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook and we quote.
You just come up with that?
Yes, I did. Obviously. Later, guys.